Yes, my people, welcome back. You don't know it's a boy Maxi, I know it's Maxi TV. You don't know it's been a while. You don't know we're still the boat. Hope everyone having a blessed day and a safe day. Yeah, man, and a blessed Sunday. Hope you enjoy your independence weekend and independence holiday. Yeah, man. You don't know it's Maxi TV. Do the right thing. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Welcome to another video. So, this video that we doing today, it's all about just hanging with some bridging them. We head out to Westmoreland down by Father Chris Ends. Get some roast pork. Yeah man, some jerk chicken, roast chicken and roast duck. Yeah man, big up yourself Father Chris. Seaford Town Westmoreland. Yeah man, so just all about a hang out there with the bridging them for the holiday down Father Chris Ends. Yeah man, and please remember to like, share and subscribe. Yeah man, feel free to let me know what you think about the videos them. Comment and let me know what you think about the videos them, and let me know which part in the world in there and what kind of videos you like to see. Because you know we start out with the disadvantages of working night shift, and we also do some spicy challenge, some spicy noodle. Yeah man, so as I said before, blessings, and I hope everyone having a blessed day. Stay tuned, watch and enjoy, and let me know what you all think about this video. Yeah man. Alright, cool. You don't know it's Maxi TV again. Like, share and subscribe. Comment as well. Yeah man, feel free to do so. Yeah man, I don't know Father Chris Ends is all about. It's famous with the good old roast pig, you know? Yeah man, with the stuffing and all of that. Yeah man, so check out that place, Father Chris Ends down at Seaford Town Westmoreland, otherwise known as German Town down in Westmoreland. Yeah man, Father Kirky, outdoor living, big up yourself, Ratty Adventure, respect for the link there, you hear? Just go and do the right thing. Yeah man, I remember to check out Ratty Adventure and Kirky outdoor living. I don't know, them bless me upon them thing and I give me a strength same way. But stay tuned for the video. Watch and enjoy, let me know any questions, any queries, any comments. Yeah, man. Alright, see right here, so now we have two pig pan and pole are going roast. Yeah, man, almost ready. Yeah, man, alright here, so through the noise and the loud music and loud noise, me couldn't hear the whole conversation and the whole music and things, so that's why it mute, you know. Alright, the big man Father Chris himself I take off ready one. Take off the two ready pig them and I'll put on a fresh set pan it you know. Yeah man. Alright, so we have a new one pan it you know, a fresh pig gone on pan pole you know ready for roast. Yeah man.